Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to be able to make some fried tomatoes really easy. What I did was I already cut them up, and unfortunately they was turning red because I kind of let them sit for too long. So most definitely use them as soon as you get them. If you don't use them as soon as you get them, put them in a warm, dry place, dark place, so they can stay green. These are the items I'll be using: some low-fat milk, some bread crispy crumbs, some breadcrumbs, canola oil, and some yellow cornmeal. What I did was I put the oil inside of the skillet. We got the buttermilk, we got the cornmeal, and we got the breadcrumbs. You can also use an egg if you want. And I already got it set up. I'm going to be putting it on here. It is a one of these. I'll put some parchment paper down, and I also put one of these steel type racks because they are very good to use. I'm going to go ahead and dip the tomatoes, and I'm going to let them lay up here for maybe about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, as long as you want to. That makes the actual breadcrumbs stay on very easy, and you don't got to worry about them coming off. Guys, I'm also going to put a little bit of salt on them because that helps the actual product, the breading, stick a little better as well. So just a little bit of salt, sprinkle it on there. Okay, guys, so we got the tomato. I'm going to dip it in the buttermilk, cornmeal, breadcrumbs, and then set them up there. Okay, and then we'll set it right up here and let it sit for a little bit so it can marinate and it will hold the product really good. I wanted to tell you guys you can use the Chick-fil-A dressing, the avocado lime ranch. Oh my God, it's so good. Or you can use ranch, or you can use creamy Italian Caesar. So good. Oh my God, so good. So good. Try it. Huh.